Welcome everyone. I hope you must be stay safe and stay healthy. So no further delay, let's begin. Our today's topic is how to tell the difference between a beard rock roaster and a hen. Although beard rock roaster and hens look similar, there are a lot many distinctions. We will discuss the major differences between the male and female beard rocks. Did you know? Many times in all female flocks or in flocks in which the ratio of hens to roosters is greater than 10 is to 1. One hen may take one male characteristics and may declare herself as the protector of the rest of the flock. She may come out with a half crow and she may stop laying. She may even develop super on her legs. The Plymouth Rock chicken was developed from crosses of Dominiques, Black Javas, Cockayans, and perhaps Malayas and Dorkings in the 18th 17th century. The first Plymouths were bared. One other, only Plymouth visitor variety like buff, silver, penciled, black, etc. were developed later. The Plymouth Rock is often referred to as beard rock or chest rock because of their typical color. At first glance, it is difficult to tell the differences between beard rock, rooster, and hen. The following table describes the distinguishing features of male and female beard rocks. Beard rock rooster versus beard rock hen weight. The males are significantly larger than the females. According to the American Poultry Association, the standard weights of Plymouth Rock rooster are cock 7.5 to 9.5 IB, means 3.4 to 4.3 kg. Cockerel 8 IB, means 3.6 kg. A bantam variety 3.9 IB, means 1.4 kg. According to the American Poultry Association, the standard weights for Plymouth Rock rooster are hen 6.6 to 7.5 IB, means 3 to 3.4 kg. Polled 5 to 6 IB, means 2.3 to 2.7 kg. A bantam variety 2.65 IB, means 1.2 kg. Color. Although hens or rooster have black and white bars all over their bodies, roosters are lighter in color. Hens are darker in color. Bearing pattern. The white of the dark and light bear in almost the same. They are placed in parallel rows. Both males and females have straight, uniform bears. However, males appear gray and white. They look more white than black. The bearing is sharper than that of a male. The beard rock hens are slightly darker in color than the roosters, as they carry only one chromosome for the bearing and the males carry two. The hens appear black and white. Appearance. Roosters are larger in size than hens. They have relatively larger wattles and combos. They carry their heads high up. The overall carriage of a male is more upright than a female. The comb is single and dark red. Hens are similar than the roosters. They have relatively smaller wattles and combs. However, the abdomen of a hen is deeper and fuller than a rooster. The comb is single and light red. Neck and tail. Roosters have large tail and larger neck further. Hackle feathers include feathers of neck area, while saddle feathers include the feathers right above the tail. Hens have smaller tails. The tails are so short that they seem to be tailless. On a hen, the saddle or hackle features will be round-ended and shorter. Spurs. Roosters usually have spurs on their legs. Hens usually do not have spurs on legs. However, this is not 100% sure way of determining the gender of a bedrock. Temperament. As the cockerels mature, they become more dominating, but young ones may act like hens. Hens are calm and docile. They are very good egg layers. They are good mothers too. Growing chickens. The white spot on the head of a male will be scattered and irregular shaped.